Can you believe that this hair loss cure was discovered in 1965 and almost forgotten until one dedicated NASA scientist decided enough was enough? This 56-year-old discovery remained buried, never to see the light of day again, until this big-hearted man, Tamim Hamid, former NASA Kennedy Space Center biomedical engineer, stumbled upon it. It's incredibly easy to use, and people from all walks of life, both men and women, are seeing amazing results from it every day. This is the only remedy in the world that stops shedding, kickstarts the regrowth phase, thickens your hair structure, and restores the lost vitality of your hair. 98% of all users have experienced positive results. This incredibly safe, highly effective piece of bioengineering has proven itself to be superior to any other hair loss product on the market. You see, hair shedding is usually a result of stress, illness, aging, mild or severe medication side effects, and in many women's cases, pregnancy or huge hormonal fluctuations. We all go through some or all of these at one point in our lives, but do we really have to suffer the pain and trauma of hair loss? Do we have to take it with us all the time? Not anymore. Imagine if you could finally restore your hair and be free of any and all anxiety. No more spending entire hours looking in the mirror, obsessing over whether or not your thinning hair is visible. No more living in fear, wondering if people notice. Reality check, they do. They're just not telling you. You know all those handsome or gorgeous stars who are all over the magazine covers nowadays, in the ads, at the awards? Yes, they are using this exact same device I'm about to show you. Are you one of those men and women who went through major traumatic events that caused their hair loss? Or one of those people who started experiencing hair shedding due to some unfair genetic predisposition, illness, condition? People who just want to be happy in their own skin and be free. Are you curious about how this works? This astonishing device wields the incredible but safe power of concentrated laser therapy to stimulate the scalp and individual hair follicles with zero side effects. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen or tried before. Because Tamim, the inventor of this device, brought together an amazing team of hair experts, bioengineers, and medical professionals to work on this genius device to solve highly diffused hair problems, like androgenetic alopecia, plaguing the general population. You see, Tamim witnessed the pain and misery caused by hair loss from a very young age. His father was a physician and was constantly treating cancer patients. So naturally, Tamim got to witness normal people who were dealt a very unlucky hand lose more than just their health. When people started losing their hair due to the illness and the heavy medications, Tamim also witnessed people losing their self-esteem, their pride, their happiness with their hair. All of a sudden, these people became mere shells of what they used to be. A shadow of what was once a happy, joyful, optimistic, and loving human being. At that moment, Tamim swore to end this devastating problem that affects so many people across the globe. So after years of strenuous work, it finally came to life. Theradome. The laser hair growth miracle has become an absolute lifesaver for everyone who ever used it. Theradome uses a proprietary set of 80 medical-grade lasers, which target a specific 680 nanometer laser wavelength, discovered to grow hair back in 1965, but ignored until today. Now the word is out. There's no need for any expensive treatments, dangerous drugs, or hair surgeries anymore. Just give yourself 20 minutes twice a week with this device, and in 4 weeks, you'll see the first results. This genius product is backed by decades of science and has been developed in the heart of technology innovation, Silicon Valley, California, USA. It is FDA-cleared for both men and women, and the results speak for themselves. We are proud to say that this device offers you an experience far and beyond your average market expectations, even more if you already tried other technologies existing today. Click the button below to find out how you can stop losing and start regrowing your hair. The Theradome is sold in over 50 countries worldwide and has been saving people from all over the globe the pain, suffering, trauma, and agony of hair loss. The best part is, it is made in the USA, and there is no risk. If you are not completely satisfied, you have 6 months to let us know and see your purchase price 100% refunded, no questions asked. Try Theradome today. Claim yours now.